Sir, can you give an assessment of the first day that the prosecution presented your evidence?
Mahusay ang first day of presentation of evidence dahil una, natuloy na ang trial at nasunod ang proseso sa tamang pamamaraan. Maganda ang pagpapatakbo ni Senate presiding officer, Chis Escudero. It was very fair at nabigyan ng pagkakataong pailabas ang ebidensya sa tamang pamamaraan. I'm happy and I hope that this will continue throughout the impeachment trial days as we go on. At yun lang naman ang hiling natin, simula pa dati, na malabas ang ebidensya para makita hindi lang ng ating mga senator judges, kundi ng lahat ng Pilipinong sumusubaybay.
Sir, next week, you plan to present Atty. Zuleika Lopez and NBI Director Magdiba.
All I can say is if it's in the subpoena that we filed, we will decide next week how and who and when we will present them. I can't talk on the merits, but our pleadings will speak for themselves.
Sir, when will you be filing the request for subpoena for VP Duterte as hostile witness?
I can tell you right now, every time the prosecution would assess our strategy, it can change, so I won't tell you for now.
But sir, maybe confirm ko, since nabanggit na po kasi ni Atty. Kapunan earlier that you reserve the right na patawag po siya, maybe confirm na ipatatawag nga po ng House Prosecution Panel si VP Sara for grave threats.
I can only confirm that we have a reservation to call additional or other witnesses if necessary when the circumstances warrant it. But for now, I can confirm we will call or subpoena the Vice President. And it's only a matter of coincidence na nandito siya kanina sa Senado. So naitanong na lang din ni Atty. Lorna Capulan kung nandito pa siya habang ongoing ang trial at kung dadalo pa siya.
But what changed, sir? Kasi wala po siya doon sa request natin in the pre-trial order, VP Sara, wala po sa list.
Matagal na namin nire-request ng Vice President na dumalo sa Kongreso pa lang sa Committee on Justice. Tuwing may hearing kami, may imbitasyon ng Vice Presidente. And we leave it up to her. She has the right to attend or not to attend so long as nandyan ang kanyang mga abogado. At hanggang doon lang muna ako para hindi ko makwento ang strategy ng prosecution.
Okay.
Sir?
Hindi pa ba
Sir?
enough yung pong mga video na present niya po na yung pong mismong statement galing sa kanya?
Para sa amin, yung mga video na yon ay sufisyente, enough to prove betrayal of public trust, to prove culpable violation of the Constitution and high crimes. But we leave it up sa ating mga senator judges how they will assess and appreciate the evidence that we have just presented today. Napakarami at kita ng buong sambayanan kung gaano kadaming video at statements ang lumabas in support of the articles of impeachment.
Sir, excuse me. Would you say that today was a victory for the prosecution panel?
We were very satisfied with the outcome of today's trial. No victory can be claimed until matapos ang verdict. But today was a very satisfactory day for the prosecution team. Lumabas ang lahat ng ebidensya namin gusto ihain sa Senate Impeachment Court at lahat ng statements na gustong ilabas ng impeachment team na ilabas namin. At mabuti din at mahusay ang mga abogadong humawak itong trial at itong unang testigo namin, si Attorney Virgil Libutan. He's an excellent trial lawyer and hats off to Attorney Virgil Libutan.
Sir? Can you describe how you engaged with the defense team kanina, especially during your introduction po nung Article 4? Kasi parang doon pa lang po, kinokontra na po agad nila.
But if your manifestation was allowed to be admitted to the records, although not as evidence, did
I'm
you just
glad
clarify,
that,
sir, yung status?
I'm glad that the presiding officer allowed my manifestation to be said in open court. It was meant to guide our senator judges kung paano namin ilalatag ang ebidensya. Kung ano ang kabuuan ng ebidensya namin iisa-isahin through our witnesses and our documents. At para mabigyan din ng paglilinaw sa mga kapwa nating Pilipino sa pamamaraan na maiintindihan nila at mauunawaan nila ng gusto. Ano ba itong binabalak nitong Article 4 saan sabi ng Presidente, may nakausap na siyang tao, pumayag na at nakaabang at handang pumatay sa Presidente ng Republika ng Pilipinas.
Gab?
Sir,